Hi YouTube, Viper's Bane here. Now, do you remember them clouds I showed you yesterday? Well, you're about to see what those little clouds turned into. Okay? See, we got a little bit of rain. If you can't tell. School's been closed for today. I hope it'll stay closed tomorrow, but I don't think it will. But yeah, just listen to this. Just listen to it real quick. Now, isn't that just the best sound you've ever heard? Yep. I know it is to me because I love the smell of the wind and the breeze on a rainy day. Anyway, YouTube, this is Viper's Bane, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.